NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Cajun chicken sloppy joes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 small onion diced, 1 small green bell pepper diced, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese or the cheese of your choice. I have some salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 pound of ground chicken, and I also have some brioche hamburger buns. To a heated skillet over medium heat, I added in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to add in our onion and also our green pepper. And we're going to go ahead and let that saute for 4 minutes. Now you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to let that saute for 1 minute. After a minute, we're going to add in our ground chicken. Go ahead and break that down and make sure it's well combined with our garlic, onion, and pepper. And you want to break down your ground chicken into small pieces. And you want to cook it until there's no more pink left. That should take about 7 minutes. Smells amazing already. Okay guys, after 7 minutes, we're going to add in our tomato sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, our ketchup, creole seasoning, smoked paprika, and also our ground black pepper. And guys, I'm going to let you be the judge of how much salt you want to add into yours. I'm just going to add a little bit. And you want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Guys, remember to always taste your food before you add any salt in there. Now you can turn your heat down to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay guys, while your sloppy joes are simmering, you're going to heat up a griddle or your pan. I have my brioche bun and I've added some mayonnaise to the bottom. What we're going to do is put them onto there and we're going to toast them. You want them to get nice and crispy. Okay guys, we're going to check them. So this is nice and toasty, so we're going to just remove it. And let that sit for a little longer. Okay guys, now we're going to get the tops of our buns. We're just going to put some cheese on them. Remember, you can use any cheese of your choice. And it's optional, you don't have to use any if you don't want to. We're going to begin to add our sloppy joe on top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Cajun chicken sloppy joes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?